friends, welcome to my YouTube channel Krishang Friends Learning. In my today's video, we learn how to greet French people and also to greet them in formal and informal way. So friends, let's start. Different ways to greet in French. Bonjour, hello, salut, hi, comment ça va, how are you doing? Bienvenue, welcome, bonsoir, good evening, Shante, nice to meet you, and bon après-midi means good afternoon. Learn how to greet people in formal and informal way. Greet people in formal way. Bonjour means hello. Comment allez-vous means are you okay or how are you? Informal. Greet people in informal way. Salut means hi. Comme ça va means how are you doing or how are you. Learn how to reply these greetings. Ça va, all right. Ça va bien, I am good. Ça va mal, it's going badly. Ça va bien, merci, it's going well, thank you. Pas mal, not bad. Comme si comme ça, so means not good and not bad. So that's all for the day. We will meet in my next video. Please subscribe our channel. Thank you for watching.